Hello friends and welcome back to the HSE Coach. Today's topic is extremely important for every worker, supervisor and safety professionals working in construction, maintenance, factories or any industry where people work above ground level. We are going to discuss work at height safety rules every worker must know. Working at height is one of the leading causes of serious injuries and fatalities at workplaces around the world. A small mistake can lead to major accident. That is why following safety rules is not optional, it is necessary. So let's begin with the most important safety rules every worker should follow before working at height. Rule number 1, plan the work. Before starting any job at height, proper planning is essential. Workers must identify hazards, assess risks and select the correct equipment for the task. Never start work without understanding the dangers involved. A well-planned job is always a safer job. Rule number 2, use fall protections. Always wear proper fall protections equipment. This include a full body harness, shock absorbing lanyard, lifeline and approved anchor point. Before use, inspect the harness carefully for cuts, damage or defects. Remember, your harness can save your life. Rule number 3, protect the edge. Open edges are dangerous. Guardrails, safety nets, covers and barricades must be installed to prevent falls. Never stand near unprotected edge or remove safety barriers without authorizations. Rule number 4, use equipment safely. Always use the correct ladder, scaffold or work platform for the job. Inspect all equipment before use. Do not use damaged ladders or unstable scaffolding and never overload platforms beyond their safe working limit. Rule number 5, check the conditions. Environmental conditions play a major role in work at height safety. Strong winds, rain, slippery surfaces, poor lighting and nearby power lines can increase the risk of accidents. If conditions are unsafe, stop the work immediately. Safety always comes first. Rule number 6, be competent. Only trained and authorized workers should perform work at height. Workers must understand all fall hazards, emergency procedures and proper use of equipment. Training creates awareness and awareness prevents accidents. Rule number 7, stop work during bad weather. Never work at height during storms, heavy rains or strong winds. Bad weather can reduce visibility and make surfaces slippery. Many fatal falls happen because workers ignore weather conditions. Do not take unnecessary risks. Rule number 8, keep the area clean. Good housekeeping is very important. Keep platforms, walkways and access areas free from tools, cables and waste materials. A clean workplace reduces slip, trip and fall hazards. Rule number 9, be ready for rescue. Every work at height activity must have an emergency rescue plan. Workers should know what to do if someone falls or becomes suspended in a harness. Quick rescue can save lives and reduce serious injuries. Rule number 10, think safe and work safe. Never take shortcuts while working at height. Follow safety procedures, wear PPE correctly and look out for co-workers. Remember this simple message, safety today means life tomorrow. Falls from height can happen within seconds, but the consequences can last forever. So always follow work at height safety rules and encourage others to do the same. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your co-workers and subscribe to the HSE Coach. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay alert and see you in the next video.